In 1520, a Spanish soldier sneezed in Tenochtitlan. Nobody thought anything of it, but that single sneeze changed history forever. The Aztec Empire had 200,000 warriors defending their capital. Cortés only had 500 men. Militarily, the Spanish were hopelessly outnumbered. Then people started getting sick. Smallpox spread through the city like wildfire. The Aztecs had never encountered this disease. Their immune systems had zero defense. Within weeks, half the population was dead. Emperor Cuitlahuac himself died from the virus. The Spanish were immune because they'd been exposed as children. They watched as the mighty empire collapsed from invisible attackers. Temples filled with bodies. No one could bury the dead fast enough. Survivors were too weak to fight. When Cortés returned to attack, the city couldn't defend itself. The greatest city in the Americas fell, not because of superior weapons or tactics, but because of a microscopic organism the Aztecs never saw coming.